Today I'm going to show you how you can manage your survey elements. You can add content to your surveys with the following survey elements: questions, text, images and videos, and end pages. You can easily manage these elements, for example, copy, delete, and move them around. For example, to save some time, you can copy survey elements you already created. To copy a survey element, all you have to do is go into your survey and click on the checkbox on the left side of the survey element that you want to copy. For example, this one. Then you click on the Actions menu and select Copy. A copy of the selected element will appear at the end of your survey right here. If you no longer need a survey element, it can be deleted. This action is permanent and cannot be undone. To delete a survey element, all you have to do is click the checkbox on the left side of the survey element that you want to delete, click on the Actions menu, and select Delete. The selected element will be deleted immediately. And as a side note, if your survey has collected or imported responses, deleting a question will remove all of the data associated with that question. You may also need to change the order of your survey elements. To move survey elements, all you have to do is click on the checkbox on the left side of the survey element that you want to move, for example, number 5. And then you click on the Actions menu and select Move. Now you can select the survey element that it should be moved to, and then you can choose whether it should be placed before or after this element. For example, we want to place it after number 6. We can choose here before or after. We click it after, and then we click on Move. You can see now it has been moved. If your survey is long, it can also be a good idea to group your survey elements into pages. Respondents will feel they're making progress as they reach each new page, and it can help you organize your survey into logical sections. To manage your page breaks, you click on the Actions menu and select Manage Page Breaks. To group survey elements on one page, you have to remove the page break by clicking the minus page break sign, for example here, and then you click Done. Now this makes number 3 and 4 appear on the same side. To split survey elements into single pages, you have to add the page break by clicking on the plus page break sign right here. When you're satisfied, you click Done. Also, when it comes to end pages like this, number 9, they will always have a page break before and after. And this is how you manage your survey elements.